Want to create professional looking ads without spending a single rupee? In this video, I will show you how to turn your product image into stunning, eye-catching ad. And yes, we will even create some eye-catching CGI style ads right inside ChatGPT. I will show you how to use ChatGPT image generation feature to create stunning ads. And the best part, you can create all of this without spending a single rupee. Yes, I'm doing all of this using the free version of ChatGPT, including image generation. And stay till the end because I will show you how to create stunning thumbnail using the same AI magic. So without further ado, let's start our video. Open ChatGPT, click on plus icon and upload photo of your product. And write down model showcasing this dress, luxury brand shoot and click enter. And here we go. Beautiful model wearing this dress. Isn't it amazing? Now let's try something else with this. I'm uploading photograph of a purse and write down fashion model wearing this dress and holding this purse, luxury brand shoot, focus on outfit and accessory. And here's the beautiful image created by ChatGPT. Isn't it fascinating? ChatGPT really showed our dress and purse beautifully. Okay, let's add something to it. Add text to this image. Be iconic, be you. Wow, isn't it beautiful? The best thing about ChatGPT is how well it understands text. Whatever you write, it picks up exactly that. No spelling mistakes, no confusion. Other apps sometimes mess up words or miss things, but ChatGPT reads everything clearly, just like you meant it. But the cherry on top, we did all of this using free version only. No cost, no catch, just smart, simple magic for free. Now I want to change the outfit of my model to Indian wedding outfit. Upload photo of your product and write down the prompt here. Replace current outfit of the model with the outfit shown in the uploaded image. Because of high load, ChatGPT takes 2-3 minutes to generate photo. Whoa, this is fascinating. I am seriously impressed with ChatGPT work. The same model wearing Indian outfit with the same tagline and with the same purse. In this way, you can create jaw-dropping ads without hiring a designer or spending a single rupee. Let ChatGPT do it for you. Okay, let's try something else. Let's brand shoes with AI from logo to ads. So I'm writing the prompt. Sports shoes add in water having full splash to extent. This splash shoe image is next level. You don't need a graphic designer anymore. And I have reached my image creation limit. I am using free version, you see. I have created that much free images including 2-3 rough trials. I have two options now. I can continue creating images tomorrow or use ChatGPT with another Gmail account, which I am going to do now. Okay, let's do some more experiment with ChatGPT. I have uploaded two images here. The first image, that's our original shoe product. It is nice, but it needs some more magic. And here's the second image, a stunning AI generated ad created through countless creative trials with ChatGPT. Let's swap our original product and level up the look. Just ask ChatGPT, replace the first image with this upgraded version. Now ChatGPT is asking me to adding a tagline, brand logo placement or applying any filters or design elements. I am adding tagline here. Please add tagline where style meets soul. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. Incredible, isn't it? Can we take a moment to appreciate how ChatGPT just nailed this visual? Okay, now let's create some funny ad with ChatGPT. Giant burger on a clean city street with lots of tiny people climbing ladders, eating and enjoying it like a playground. Superb, isn't it? Let's add some text to it. Please add text where taste meets adventure. And here we go. This is simply awesome. Okay, let's try one more CGI image to take this to the next level. A giant sports shoe floats down the street with colorful balloons and amazed people gather to watch in awe. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. Amazing, isn't it? ChatGPT is unbeatable now. Let's cook up another CGI magic moment. Giant coffee cup fountain in the city center. Coffee spilling like a waterfall and people gathering with mugs below. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. Here's the image which ChatGPT has created. It is wonderful, isn't it? Last but not the least, we are going to create thumbnail of our YouTube video. Simply write down the prompt. I want a giant ChatGPT icon floating down with hot air balloon on a clean city street with lots of tiny people climbing ladders helping in creating ChatGPT logo. I want to create it as a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm writing down. I want thumbnail in 16:9 ratio. And please write down create stunning ads with ChatGPT. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is going to create it for us. Wow, nice. At least we have some ideas how to create our thumbnail. And the possibilities with ChatGPT are endless. So do your own experiments. Drop your coolest idea or experiment in the comment below. And let's inspire each other. Well, are you curious about what more ChatGPT can really do? Watch this video on ChatGPT full course. And see you soon in the next video.